Out here today at 8313 Calle Mio in Navarre, Florida, 32566. This home sits on 0.46 of an acre, and we do have plans for you in survey that shows that the lot can be divided into two parcels. This home was built in 1976. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, a little over 1,100 square feet. As you can see here, we have a nice, friendly, welcoming front porch, covered. Takes you into our entryway here. Many upgrades have already gone on, and many are still in the works. You can see we've got vinyl plank flooring, calling this a dining area with the kitchen overlooking, granite countertops, new cabinetry. Nice, bright, and open new backsplash. We've got a full bathroom off of the kitchen and living area. New tile, floor to ceiling. Walk-in shower there. As we said, keep an open mind. There's still many things in the works presently. We've got laundry area, washer dryer hookups, and here's our living with the back door here. Bright, pretty windows. We do have a punch list going, so for things like plates and registers being put back on, finishing touches, baseboards and such. Seller is aware and working on these as we speak. Here's our master bedroom. Friendly windows, natural light pouring in. Generous sized closet with an additional just off the master bath here. So that's closet space as well. We've got new tile in here, new vanity, wall tile, lots of space, floor to ceiling tile in this shower tub combo. And then remaining bedroom. Nice sunny rooms. Again, we're at our 8313 Calle Mio in Navarre, 32566. Come take a look at the updates. They are continuing. Come see our progress.